Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. How are you all? Hope so you all are fine. And today, tell me one thing. What are you doing at home? Are you playing? Are you enjoying at home? Are you learning? Good. You have to carry on all these things and come to lesson. It's a lecture about English, and today we will meet letter Y. So take out your English book, World of Letters. Open this page. Here is, you can see here is a letter and that called Y. Capital letter is Y and small letter is, its sound is Y. Y. Y sound is Y. So here is a yo-yo, a yellow. You want to play with yo-yo, you like it, you also play with it. So you have to color this one, okay? Next one is your york. Vocabulary word is york. You have to learn it. Yeah, yo-yo. Yeah, yo-yo. And next here is a color name. That one is yellow. Yeah, yellow. Here is one more thing. At that one is yet. Yeah, yet. Okay. Learn these vocabulary words and come on work page. That is 45. You have to write letter Y. Yeah, you have to write it here. Started from the first line and it should be finished on the third line. Okay. Write it carefully with the help of your mama. Okay. And take care of yourself. Goodbye. Wait for my next video. Allah Hafiz.